I just wanted to run through this tightrope walking system I made in Godot 4 with you really quickly. Let's start off with it in action. So as you can see, the rope bends as the player walks along it, and there's a bit of an automatic rotation thing I've got going on here, with the true player's rotation being represented by that little thing below, that kind of phallic looking set of mesh instances, I guess. And it, aligns with the player when they're off the rope. And then we still get to use that base player input to rotate the character as they're on the rope. That's a quick rundown of it in action. And then on the editor side of things, it's a pretty simple setup. You have to plug in a couple nodes. A couple of these are automatic, some are more for fun. The two key pieces are the start and end point here. They're just node 3Ds, and if we extend this endpoint out to there, the rope will automatically kind of meet that endpoint, and then we can mess with the curve amplitude to bring it right back up. And the number of segments is for the path 3D, which makes up our rope. We have a CSG polygon 3D making up the rope mesh itself, which is pretty easy to plug in. If anyone wants, I can make a tutorial on this that goes into depth on how I made this, but this is just a rundown. Let me know if you'd like to see that though. What else do we have? So the length automatically gets calculated with the script and automatically is updated as we change the start and end points of the rope, along with the amplitude. But the number of segments, these segments are these little squares here. We can set that to something like 3, and it'll make the rope a lot more simple. Something like 16, and we get a lot more smoothness. So yeah, and there's a constant speed on the rope as we walk itself. I want to work on it a bit more. If there are any suggestions you have, let me know. Thanks.